Dear students, here is question number 2 under algebra, that is solve ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The formula you have studied is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Using this formula you can solve these types of problems very easily. But if the roots are irrational, that is very useful. Whereas if the roots are integers or fractions, you can do this by shortcut method. You can use my shortcut method. See, I have taken 4 different types of problems here. This is 2x square, here plus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0, but here minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here plus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. There it is both minus 5x and minus 3. Okay, 2x square is fixed. In these types of problems, what I do is, I split this. I write this 2x square as the product of 2x into x. That is the only one table we have. If it were 4x square, I would have written it as 4x into x or 2x into 2x. 2 possibilities. Here there is only one possibility. That is 2x square can be written as the product of 2x into x or x into 2x. Okay. Now 3 can be written as the product of 3 into 1 or 1 into 3. Only one possibility. If it were 6, then I would have written it as 3 into 2, 6 into 1, right? 2 possibilities. But since it is 3, I can write it as the product of 3 into 1. Alright? Now, the question is whether I would write 3 here or here is the question. Whether I should write 1 and 3 or 3 and 1 and 3 or 3 and 1. How to decide? For that, you just cross multiply. If you cross multiply, this is 2x into 1 is 2x. This is 3 into x, 3x. If you add this, you should get this 5x. Right? So, if you cross multiply, this is 2x plus 3x, you get 5x. So, I should write 3 here and 1 here. And both plus. Because if it is plus 3, I should write both plus or both minus. That depends on the problem. That depends on the problem. Let us see in this question. Now, I write 3 into 1. Okay. So, that 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x. So, this into this is equal to this much, 2x square. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. This cross multiplication, 2x into 3x is equal to 5x. So, I am through. So, I write this as in this fashion. I write this as 2x plus 3 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So, this into this is equal to this much. 3 into 1 is equal to this much. Cross multiply, you should get 5x. But writing in this way. So, this is in the form a into b is equal to 0. A into b is equal to 0 means a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. So, this is 2x is equal to minus 3. Here, this is equal to, so here x is equal to minus 1. So, x is equal to minus 3 by 2. And here x is equal to minus 1. These are the values of x satisfying this equation. Now come to this. Here also I can write 2x square as 2x into x. That is the only one table we have. But this time here, this is 3 which can be written as 3 into 1. But I want to get minus 5 on cross multiplication. If I cross multiply, I get plus 5x, but I want to get minus 5x. That's why I write this as minus 3 and minus 1. So, minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. Correct? So, cross multiply minus 2x minus 3x. So, if it is plus, it is either both plus or here both minus. So, that depends on this number. Correct? So, but while writing, I write like this. So this into this is this much, this into this with the sign this much, cross multiply and add, you should get the middle term. So this is 2x minus 3 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 3 by 2, correct? Or x is equal to 1. So if you got doubt, you can substitute this value here and check. Put x is equal to 1 here, 2 into 1 plus 3, 5, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Similarly, substitute this here and check. Similarly, here also. Put these values here in LHS, you get a RHS. Now come to this. 2x square can be written as 2x into x, only one possibility. Now minus 3, but I want to get plus 5, plus 5x. So this time I write 3 here and 1 here. Since it is minus 3, one should be plus, the other one should be minus, because plus into minus is minus, correct? So I write 3 here so that this is plus 3x. I put minus to this because I want to get plus 5x, right? So this way multiply 2x into 3x is equal to 6x, correct? Plus minus x minus 1x. So 6x minus 1x is equal to plus 5x. So if I want to get plus, the larger number should be plus. The smaller number should be minus. So 1 plus 1 minus. 1 plus 1 minus because of this. Minus 3. 1 plus 1 minus. But I want to get plus 5x. So larger product. This is 6x. This is smaller product. Minus. So while writing, I write like this. What I get? So here 2x minus 1 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0 because a into b is 0 means a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. So this is 2x is equal to 1. So x is equal to half, or here x is equal to minus 3. So these are the two answers. And finally, what do you write? Here 2x into x, no change. This time it is minus 3, but here this is also minus 5. So I make this is minus and this is plus. So that minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. 1 plus 1 minus. So the larger one should be minus because I want to get minus 5x, correct? So 2, this is minus 5, minus 6x, correct? 2x into minus 3 is minus 6, minus 6x plus 1x. Minus 6x plus 1x is minus 5x, correct? So if it is, this number is minus, this number is minus, you should write 1 plus 1 minus, but I should take minus or plus depending on this number. Okay, see this is minus 6x plus 1x, I get plus 5, minus 5x, correct? But while writing, I should write like this. So this is 2x plus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, x minus 3 is equal to 0. 2x plus 1 means 2x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to minus half or x is equal to 3. So these are the two answers. So using this idea, you can solve these types of problems very easily without using that formula. Thank you. If you have got any doubt, you can drop in the comment box. Thank you.